Come see Hamlet Homes' newest subdivision in Windsor, Connecticut. There's one house for sale right now that'll be ready for spring 2023. It's located between Capen Street and Cook Hill. This is a colonial-style, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. It's a beautiful emerald seam model. It has a beautiful front porch. It is a nice open floor plan. It has so many windows, so it's very bright and open. As you watch the construction being built, it should be ready by early spring 2023. This is centrally located between Cook Hill and Capen Street in Windsor, very close to the high school, parks, 91, shopping and access to all stores and restaurants. It's going to include all of your appliances, stainless steel appliances. One of the special features in the kitchen is that it has a walk-in pantry, a wonderful open kitchen, living room, dining room. It's a 3-bedroom plus bonus room, 2.5-bathroom home. So you end up with 8 rooms. The square footage is 2223. The room sizes are wonderful. It is going to offer hardwood floors in your main living space. When you come in from the 2-car garage that's all finished with automatic garage door openers, you walk into a mudroom. The mudroom is large and has plenty of room for bench seating. It's a half-an-acre lot. You have a wonderful primary bedroom with a full bathroom, granite countertops. So when you purchase this home, everything is all-inclusive. You can move right in and do nothing. If you'd like more information, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net.